up, rhyming Gaijin? I'm at a electronics store in Japan. They got a lot of electronic stuff here. So in Japan they use rice cookers to cook their rice, and I'm fascinated by how much they cost. Like this rice cooker, you know how much it costs? I've just seen it, cameraman. But it's like 400 bucks for a rice cooker. And then you got this one over here, 300 bucks. Here's another 30 bucks, well, 300. Alright. This one's only 200 bucks. And then you got this one over here. It's 138 bucks. I mean, I really don't know the difference. And then you got the cheap. No, these ain't cheap. This one right here costs Juman. Damn. It must have an HD TV in there, some 3D glasses or something. Let's see, what's the most expensive one? I think it's this one. Here's another one. I think it's a printer. I think you can cook rice and print with this one. Has a scanner on it or something. $1,000. Alright, here we go. Oh no, we're still 50 bucks. Alright, 500. 400, 500. I think the cheapest one in here was 138. And then another thing in Japan they have is water heaters. So in the States, when we want something warm, we just put it in a kettle, warm that shit up, and be good to go. In Japan, they have a machine that does that. You would think a water heater would only cost 20 bucks, but not in Japan. Got one for 70 bucks. It keeps the water hot. 30, 40. Here's one for 80 bucks. Here's 90 bucks. Here's one 100 bucks. 120 bucks. 200 bucks. This is like the high-tech water heater of water heaters. With this one, it not only does it warm up your water, it massages your back. So while you're waiting for your water, it cleans up the house. Ah, here we go. Here's a cheap ghetto rice cookers. You got one for 50 bucks. Actually, I don't think it's a rice cooker. No, it's not a rice cooker. It's an egg cooker. Gaoishi. I don't know what that is. But alright, this is a rice cooker. 70 bucks. I say 70 bucks. It's 6,000 yen. Do the conversion, but yeah. This is, I don't know what it is. It'd be a pot to piss it. I don't know. Is there anything else I want to show y'all in here? I think that's the biggest thing in Japan for me. The water heaters and rice cookers. They're expensive. Everything else, you know, they got their whatever, but yeah. Actually, I'm gonna show you the whole store. We're gonna go downstairs and see what they got. Alright, peace.